You turn on your Windows 11 PC, and before you open a single program, it already feels slow. Apps are launching in the background, your storage is filling up, and Windows is using resources for effects you may not even notice. Today, we are changing 5 built-in settings that can make Windows feel faster and more responsive. No registry hacks. No third-party cleaners. Let's get your PC's performance back. These changes will not magically upgrade old hardware. But if startup apps, background activity, visual effects, or low storage are slowing you down, these settings can help. We are making controlled changes, not disabling random Windows services. First, let's clean up your startup process. Right. Click the Start button and open Task Manager. Select Startup Apps. Now look at the Startup Impact column. If an app launches automatically, but you do not need it immediately after signing in, right-click it and select Disable. Game launchers, chat apps, meeting tools, and update assistants are common examples. But do not disable Windows security, your graphics driver, your audio software, or anything you do not recognize. We are removing unnecessary startup tasks, not flying blind. You can always enable an app again from this same menu. Next, let's stop apps from running when you are not using them. Open Settings. Select Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Find an app you rarely use, click the 3 dots, and select Advanced Options. If you see Background Apps Permissions, set it to Never. This option is not available for every app, so do not worry if you cannot find it. Focus on apps that do not need to sync, send notifications, or work in the background. Do not change this for apps you rely on, for messaging, backups, security, or synchronization. Now let's reduce unnecessary visual effects. Windows 11 uses animations, transparency, shadows, and fading effects to look polished. On older or lower-powered PCs, reducing these effects can make the interface feel more responsive. Press the Windows key and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it and select the Visual Effects tab. Choose Custom. Now turn off effects you do not need, such as animated controls, fading menus, and window shadows. Keep smooth edges of screen fonts enabled so text remains clear. If your PC is extremely slow, you can choose Adjust for best performance. But Custom is the better starting point, because Windows will still look normal. Next, let's adjust how aggressively Windows uses your hardware. Open Settings. Select System, then choose Power and Battery. Find Power Mode. If you are plugged in and need maximum performance, choose Best Performance. This can help when multitasking, editing video, or running demanding applications. But there is a trade-off. Your laptop may use more battery and produce more heat. For normal battery use, balanced is usually the better choice. Do not leave Best Performance enabled all day, unless you actually need it. The final setting is Storage Sense. This one does not directly make every PC faster. But if your system drive is almost full, Windows has less room for temporary files, updates, and normal operations. Open Settings. Select System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. You can also open Storage Sense and select Run Storage Sense now. Review. What Windows plans to remove before confirming. Temporary files are usually safe to clean, but do not delete personal files unless you are certain you no longer need them. If your system drive is nearly full, this may be the most useful step in the entire video. Now restart your computer. After signing back in, open Task Manager and check whether fewer apps are launching automatically. Also check the Performance tab for your memory, CPU, and disk usage. The biggest improvement usually comes from removing unnecessary startup apps and freeing space when your drive is almost full. If your PC is still slow after these changes, the problem may be failing storage, limited memory, overheating, or one process using too many resources. Drop a comment below and let me know which setting made the biggest difference on your PC. Make sure you are subscribed for more Zero BS Windows optimizations. And if you are worried that your slow PC may have a security problem, click the video on your screen right now. Is your PC hacked? 4 hidden signs to check right now. I'll see you over in that video.